and welcome to Adding Images by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add images to your WordPress website using the Gutenberg post editor. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do that in the editor, and I'll show you how you can do that from the WordPress dashboard also. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, there are basically two sections or two main places you're going to find yourself adding images from. First, we have the media, and we also have over at the posts or at the pages. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the media library looks like first. So just go over to media, click on library, and over at library you normally get a list of all media items, including images, videos, and any form of media on your WordPress website. So to add a new image or any form of media, you click on add, and over here you're going to get the option to drag and drop an image, or you can just click on select file and select that from your desktop. So that's what we're going to do right now. Just click on select, and you'll be able to add as many images as you want. So I could just add all these images if I want, or I could just click on one and click on open, and once you do that, it's going to upload the image to your WordPress website. So as you can see, we've added an image. This is the WordPress image. At the right hand side, you get options like alternative text, title, caption, description, and you also get a direct URL to the image. Okay, so as you can see, this is the image and it's on our server, so it has been uploaded successfully. Also, if you notice over here, we have the file type. The file type is JPEG, so whatever file type it was at when you uploaded it, it's always going to retain that over here. You also have things like dimension, file size, and uploaded date. Okay, so you can do a lot of things here. You can even edit this image if you want, but I'm going to explain that maybe in a future video. So you can add as many images as you want via this section here, but I'm going to show you how you can also do that when you're creating a post. So we'll go over to post and we'll click on add new. Okay, click on add new, and let's wait for this to load. Okay, so once you're in your post editor Gutenberg, just click on this plus sign, and we're going to click on image. Okay, so if you want to add an image, just click on the plus sign and you get the image widget. Okay, you can also add an image by coming over here, and we'll just scroll down a bit, and you can see we also have image here. So if you click on this, it's going to add an image. So you have an option here. You can get from your media library, you can upload directly, or you can insert from URL. So we're just going to click on upload, and it's going to take us to the folder where we have images. So I'm just going to upload this. Click on open, and as you can see, it's uploads and add this to our post. Okay, so if you want to add images to your post, this is how you're going to do it. We can also add let me just show you how you can do that with an existing image. So for existing image, you click on media library, and media library is going to give you all the images you've uploaded so far. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'll click on select. So it's going to add this to our media library. So you can choose to upload all the images before you start creating your post, or you can upload the images as you work on your post. So it doesn't really matter whatever order you want to go with. So we also have some extra things here like cropping, adding a link, changing alignment. So I could change this to be at the center, exact center, at the right. You could change the this to something like rounded. So the different kinds of styles you can use, but this is just more advanced stuff. So you could use something like frame, but most times you're just going to find yourself using just adding images here and maybe cropping images a few times. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful and very straightforward, and I'll see you guys in the next video.